Welcome to this current affair topic, tsunami early warning system. So India is moving towards this tsunami early warning system and how the various countries are involved in developing those warning systems and how will it benefit the populations residing in the ocean areas and the sea area. So India has learned the lessons from the 2004 tsunami attack, and after that we have initiated and we have developed a tsunami early warning system. So as per Indian National Center for Ocean Information Service INCOIS director, so India is much safer against the tsunami as per the 2004 incident. So now it is telling that we have a early warning system that can warn the regions present on the coastlines before half an hour. So as we know how this tsunami is developed, so whenever some disturbance occurs on the sea level bed, so it leads to the rise of the water level, and ultimately this cause a huge destruction in the form of a tsunami. So this is the formation, like if your earthquake is coming on the ocean bed, that will lead for a tsunami. So this is the one of the most important reasons for the tsunami. Earlier it may be also because of a man-made, it considered to be a natural, but sometimes it may leads to be a man-made destruction, and this leads to be a tsunami. So what is this technology that India has developed, this early warning system, and how will it work? Right now, just now in this according to the current affair topic, so just now India has said that now we can detect tsunami and can have a lead time at least half an hour, minimum half an hour. We can give a warning to the coastline areas through the alarms, and we can save maximum life. So tsunami early warning system, that is in the short form TEWS, was established in the 2007. It was developed in the response of this 2004 tsunami. So now it is established under the Ministry of Earth Science and other agencies, and also collaborating like the Department of Space and the Council Scientific and Industrial Research, Survey of India, National Institute of Ocean Technology, NIOT. So right now it is operated by the Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services, that is INCOIS, and it is situated at Hyderabad. So if we can detect the earthquake, then we can detect the tsunami. So this is one of the problem. Currently also, right now also, we can't detect a early possibility of earthquake, but we have developed a, a machine, a technology where it will detect the level of water pressure in the ocean regions, and ultimately those signals, they will generate one signals, and that signals will be transferred to the towers, and those towers will send the signal to the satellite, and ultimately that satellite will respond in the form of alarms to all the alarming machines present on those coastline regions. So this is something, a new technology that is coming at, like still we don't have a exact machines that can detect your earthquake, but as per this technology we are telling that if we somehow, if we detect the earthquake or the coming of the earthquake, or if the water level is changing, then we can detect the tsunami, and ultimately we can save the life of a people. So further, if we can detect the water pressure, then we can also detect the tsunami. This is the other alternatives. If we are able to detect the water pressure, then we can alarm the situation, we can give early warning to the regions and the coastal areas, and we can save those lives. So this is something that India has told right now. So thus we have early warning tsunami system from the 2007, and a detector will be installed on the beds, and it will, that bed means sea bed, it is not like that river bed or those regions. So in the sea bed there will be one device installed, and after that it will send the information to the transmission system. There will be one transmission system at located at far away, and then it will send the signal to the transmission system that will install on the coastlines and all other regions, and then it will send that information to the satellite. Okay, and this satellite will send back the signals to all the alarming systems that have been installed, that will be installed on the sea regions or the ocean regions. Okay, so after that alarms will be there, then people of the community will understand that there is something wrong with the sea levels, and immediately that regions will be vacated quickly. So it will be a success not only if the community are prepared, like it may happen alarm is going on, peoples are not aware why this alarm is buzzing from half an hour, what is the reason behind. So for that we have to make community also be prepared, that if something that kind of alarm signal you will found, you have to vacate that place immediately as soon possible as you can. So in Indian Ocean there are 3 countries where we have this regional tsunami advisory service providers that used to do that kind of detection. So these 3 countries are Australia, Indonesia and India. Okay, so what are the recent steps that have been taken for the tsunami early warning system in India? So tsunami workshops and sessions are being conducted. Why? So to create awareness and the preparedness about the tsunamis. Like as in the college days also, we used to do lots of workshops, and ultimately these workshops helped in gaining knowledge of the practical work. Like when this practical work we have to do, these workshops helps. So similarly in that manner, tsunami workshops and sessions are being conducted so that the peoples or the officers or the persons that are involved in those operations to serve the peoples and all by the government officials and all, so they need workshops. Even the people living around, the common people also need the workshops and the awareness regarding that thing, tsunami. So these tsunami and workshop sessions are being conducted. So to create awareness and preparedness about the tsunami, Inquise regularly organizes tsunami standard operating procedure SOP workshops, training sessions, seminars for state district level disaster management officials of the coastal states. So what are the coastal states? We have Kerala, Goa, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh regions and all. So at those regions, Odisha and all, we are conducting those tsunamis workshop sessions. So tsunami mock exercise are being conducted, like in your schools or the colleges. You have seen that fire workshop, fire mock exercise used to be done. Alarms used to go, so you have to come out of your class, and this is like actual practice, like what you have to do when such kind of emergency will occur. So similarly, this tsunami mock exercise is being conducted. So ITEWC, that is Indian Tsunami Early Warning System, conducts this tsunami mock exercise called Indian Ocean Waves, that is twice a year in coordination with the Ministry of Home Affairs and the National State Level Disaster Management Agencies. So it is conducted twice in a year. So now another thing is that steps taken by this India is the Tsunami Ready program, that it is actually by the UNESCO. It's used to conduct that program. Now India is also start to conduct the Tsunami Ready program. So it is a community performance based program which initiated by the Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission of UNESCO to promote what? To promote tsunami preparedness through the active collaboration of the public, community leaders, national and the local emergency management agencies. So here the cooperation, the collaboration, the working of the government officials and the local people is needed through this Tsunami Ready program, so that when the real situation will occur, the place will be vacated immediately. Okay, so the initiative is modeled after the US National Ocean and the Atmospheric Administration National Weather Services successful Tsunami Ready program. So UNESCO IOC has approved the recognition of the 2 communities, which Venkatarayapur and the Noliashi of the Odisha and the Tsunami Ready community. So these are the ready communities that we have prepared by the government of India, and after the trainings and all different trainings, Tsunami Ready programs and the tsunami mock exercise workshops are being conducted by the government of India to make aware people regarding this tsunami, and they should be able to know that we have this early alarm system regarding the tsunami, so that in the time of emergency we should be able to vacate those places immediately and place those people at a safe place. So it is the first country, India is the first country to implement tsunami ready in the Indian Ocean region, and the Odisha in the first state. So which is the first state? Odisha is the first state to implement that tsunami ready program, and India is the first country to implement tsunami ready in the where, in the Indian Ocean region. Okay, so I hope you have understand this lecture. Please like and subscribe. Your subscription is a form of payment for me, and it is a new channel, so I need your support. Please give your suggestions, or if you want any on demand video lecture, feel free to ping on my Twitter handle. The link is given in the description. Thank you.